Hey everyone! If you're on a journey towards better health, you've probably found yourself standing in the supplement aisle, overwhelmed by the endless options. Today, I'm here to guide you on how to pick the best supplement brands so you can shop with confidence and truly support your wellness goals. First things first, let's talk about transparency. The best brands aren't shy about their ingredients. They clearly list everything that's in their products, including the amounts. Look for supplements that have their ingredients backed by solid science. This means checking for clinical trials and peer-reviewed studies. Now, on to certifications. These are like a badge of honor for supplement brands. Certifications from organizations like the USP, United States Pharmacopoeia, or NSF International mean that the products meet strict standards for quality and safety. So when you see these labels, it's a good sign. But here's a pro tip. Don't just stop at the labels. Dive a bit deeper and check out the brand's website. The best ones provide detailed information about their sourcing, manufacturing processes, and testing. They're not just selling a product, they're offering peace of mind. And while you're online, take a moment to read customer reviews. These can offer real insights into how effective the supplements are and how the company handles customer service. Remember, a trustworthy brand builds a community of satisfied, healthy customers. Also, consider the form of the supplement. Whether it's capsules, powders, or liquids, can affect how well your body absorbs the nutrient. Sometimes paying a bit more for a well-absorbed form can offer better value in the long run. Before I wrap up, let's not forget about you, the buyer. Always make sure that what you're buying fits your specific health needs and dietary restrictions. It's not just about the best brand out there, it's about what's best for you. There you have it. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to make informed choices that support your health journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you found this video helpful. Check out our description for more detailed info and visit our website for more wellness tips. Also, follow us on social media to stay updated with all things health. Thanks for watching and take care.